Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best clothes patches is probably one of the most versatile and fun ways to personalize your wardrobe. Whether you're looking to cover up a small tear, add some flair to a jacket, or express your unique style, patches offer endless possibilities. From embroidered designs to iron-on options, the world of patches is vast and exciting. Today, we're diving deep into the best patches available, so you can find the perfect ones to elevate your clothing game. Number 5. HTVRONT iron-on patches for clothing repair. These iron-on patches are made of soft polyester material. They have 30% more glue than other patches, ensuring they stay firmly in place even after multiple washes. The patches blend seamlessly with your clothes, providing a long-lasting repair. Simply cut the patch to your desired shape and size. Apply it to your garment with an iron or heat press for a few minutes. The patch will adhere strongly without leaving any residue behind. These fabric patches are perfect for repairing weak spots or adding a unique touch to your clothes. You can use them on various items, including shirts, hats, and shoes. It helps extend the life of your clothes. The set includes 20 patches in 10 different colors, each measuring 3.7 by 4.9 inches. This variety allows you to match the patches to your clothes or create your own designs. A free sewing kit is also included. Use these patches to decorate, repair, and reinforce your garments. You can easily cut them into any shape or pattern you like. Be careful with the edges to avoid curling when applying. If you are not satisfied, please feel free to contact us. What we like. This patch boasts superior adhesion, ensuring your repairs last through wash after wash. It's also incredibly versatile, suitable for various garments and projects. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-use patch for repairing or decorating your clothes, this is a great choice. What people say. The patches came in different colors, so I could use 2 of them to patch all the jeans. They were easy to iron on. I applied one to the inside of a pair of jeans that was ripping where the booty pocket is sewn on, and so far they have held up great while I have been at work. Number 4. Harsgs 60 PCS Embroidered Patches. Introducing the Harsgs 60 PCS Embroidered Patches. This set comes with 60 patches in random, assorted styles. They are perfect for adding a unique touch to your clothes. Each patch features bright, vivid colors. Every color is unique, ensuring that your DIY projects stand out. These patches are easy to apply with either iron-on or sew-on methods. It has a hot melt adhesive on the back, making it simple to attach to your favorite items. They are perfect for DIY clothing repair and decoration. You can apply them to dresses, skirts, bags, jeans, hats, shoes, and more. To use, set your iron to cotton at 100 to 150 degrees and apply for over 30 seconds. It's that easy to add a personal touch to your wardrobe. What we like. This patch offers a delightful assortment of styles, perfect for adding personality to your wardrobe. With easy iron-on or sew-on application, it's a breeze to customize your clothes. If you like unique designs and enjoy DIY projects, these patches will let you express your creativity. What people say. The patches are well made and the colors are vibrant. They are easy to apply with an iron. The patches adhered well to the fabric. Number 3. Azobur 8 PCS Iron-On Denim Patches. Tired of worn-out jeans? These Azobur denim patches are the perfect solution for repairing holes and tears. They're also great for giving your old clothes a fresh, new look. With 8 different shades, you're sure to find a perfect match for your outfit. These patches are designed to blend seamlessly with your existing denim. These patches boast 30% more glue than others, ensuring they stay firmly in place even after multiple washes and dryings. You can trust them to hold up. Simply position the patch, iron it on for a few minutes, and you're done. You can even use them inside your clothes to hide any repair marks. Made from 100% cotton, these patches are soft, comfortable, and suitable for all fabrics. They meet EU standards and offer high abrasion resistance. We're confident you'll love these patches. If you have any questions or are not satisfied, please contact us. We're here to help. What we like. This patch features a strong adhesive, ensuring a lasting repair. It's designed for easy application, making it simple to fix holes or tears. If you need a reliable patch that blends seamlessly with your jeans, this one is perfect for you. What people say. Worked great. Easy to use and can cut to size if needed. Thick material and various shades. Used for a tear in my winter jacket. Sticks on nicely, so easy to use, has held up during heavy snow and freezing rain. I even steamed it in my dryer with the highest heat setting and it still stuck on. I did notice some of the glue seeped out a tiny bit after, but nothing crazy. Hopefully I don't rip anything else in the future, but if when I do, I'll definitely be buying this again. Perfect for people like me who can't sew for their life. Number 2. HTVRONT iron-on patches for clothing repair. These iron-on patches are perfect for repairing and decorating your clothes. They are made of soft polyester material and come in 20 different colors, allowing you to match them to almost any garment. The patches have 30% more glue than other iron-on patches, ensuring they stay in place even after multiple washes. They are designed to withstand wear and tear, making them a reliable choice for clothing repair. Applying these patches is simple. Just cut them to the desired shape, place them on your garment, and use an iron or heat press. Within minutes, the patch will be firmly attached, reinforcing the area. These patches are ideal for various applications, from repairing holes to creating unique designs. You can use them on clothes, t-shirts, hats, shoes, and more, extending the life of your favorite items. With 20 different colors and a size of 3.7 by 4.9 inches, these patches can cover both small and large holes. The included sewing kit ensures a secure bond, giving you peace of mind. The patches leave no residue and have no unpleasant smell. Simply re-iron the corners to ensure a firm bond. This makes them a clean and convenient solution for clothing repair. What we like. This patch offers exceptional durability in a wide range of applications. With a variety of colors available, it can seamlessly match your existing clothes. If you have multiple items to repair or decorate, this patch provides the versatility you need. What people say. The patches are well made and the colors are vibrant. They are easy to apply with an iron. The patches are a great size and shape for various projects. Number 1. NNHOM Sunflower and Butterfly Embroidered Patches Set. This versatile set includes 35 embroidered patches. They feature sunflowers, butterflies, and daisies in various sizes. These are perfect for clothing repair and creative DIY projects. Each patch has a heat-activated adhesive backing. It bonds well to cotton, denim, and canvas. You can also stitch the edges for extra strength on heavier fabrics. These patches are made with durable polyester thread and non-woven backing. The designs show fine detail and maintain their brightness even after washing. Use them to cover holes, tears, or stains on your clothes. These patches are great for jeans, jackets, backpacks, hats, or tote bags. They also add a personal style upgrade. This set is a creative gift option for sewing enthusiasts and crafters. It's also great for anyone who enjoys customizing their clothes. Simple instructions are included for quick application. What we like. This patch set provides a wide array of charming designs, perfect for adding a touch of whimsy to your clothes. It's easy to apply with either iron-on or sew-on methods, making it suitable for various fabrics. If you're a fan of sunflowers and butterflies, or enjoy adding a personal touch to your wardrobe, this is a great option. What people say. Good variety of patches. The patches iron on easily, and seem to adhere well. The colors are so vivid and pretty, I have gotten so many compliments. They hold up pretty well, the adhesion is very good. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.